Pakistan's defense posture is once again making headlines, this time with interest in China's emerging high-energy laser weapon systems. Speaking on the sidelines of Beijing's Xiangshan Forum, retired Vice Admiral Ahmed Saeed, president of the National Institute of Maritime Affairs, highlighted a clear direction for the future. He said, "In the coming days, high-energy directed weapons will be more prominent. Pakistan would love to see some integration with China into this area." This statement aligns with a wider global trend. Militaries across the world are racing to operationalize directed energy systems, weapons that use lasers or microwaves instead of conventional projectiles. Such systems are designed to shoot down drones, blind sensors, or disable enemy electronics, making them a powerful addition to modern naval warfare. China's LY-1 shipborne laser has already drawn international attention. It was showcased during Beijing's parade marking the 80th anniversary of the victory over Japan in World War II. While Beijing has confirmed these systems are in service, it has not revealed which ships currently deploy them. Many analysts see the LY-1 as China's answer to America's high-energy laser with integrated optical dazzler and surveillance, known as Helios, which is already operating aboard the Arleigh-Burke-class destroyer USS Preble. For Pakistan, the interest goes beyond hardware. Vice Admiral Saeed stressed the importance of integrated systems, hardware and software working together for greater interoperability. His comments come shortly after President Asif Ali Zardari became the first head of state to visit the Aviation Industry Corporation of China in Chengdu, home to China's most advanced warplane production. The visit was both symbolic and strategic, signaling Pakistan's commitment to future defense cooperation and integrated weapons development. This push is also shaped by Pakistan's recent conflict experience. Earlier this year, during a brief clash with India, Pakistani forces used the Chinese-made J-10C fighter jet. Beijing later credited the victory to a kill chain integration that allowed the J-10C to successfully target more advanced aircraft. For Islamabad, this experience reinforced the value of cutting-edge, networked weapons systems. Statistics reinforce the depth of the partnership. Between 2020 and 2024, Pakistan accounted for 63% of China's arms exports, according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. In addition, Pakistan remains a major Belt and Road Initiative partner. On this point, Saeed was candid. He rejected the idea of permanent Chinese security deployments in Pakistan, calling them temporary fixes. Instead, he emphasized sovereignty and argued for a global security framework, ideally under the United Nations, as the right long-term solution. Interestingly, Pakistan is also balancing its relations with Washington. While deepening military ties with Beijing, Saeed noted that Islamabad wants to collaborate with both the United States and China in areas like counterterrorism, intelligence sharing, and technology exchange. This dual-track approach shows that Pakistan is seeking strategic flexibility rather than dependency. In summary, Pakistan's growing interest in Chinese high-energy laser weapons underlines three key shifts. First, Islamabad wants to integrate cutting-edge directed energy systems to enhance future naval and air defense. Second, the focus is shifting from buying platforms to developing integrated, interoperable systems that fuse hardware and software. And third, Pakistan is positioning itself to work with both Beijing and Washington, signaling a pragmatic approach in an increasingly polarized global defense environment. As militaries move toward a future dominated by directed energy weapons, Pakistan's interest in Chinese laser systems reflects both its strategic needs and its evolving defense partnerships. The question now is not whether these technologies will shape future conflicts, but how quickly they will be integrated into Pakistan's arsenal.